Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 in Sonoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and remove your fuel tank. With a 14mm socket, remove the bolt retaining the sending unit. Step 3. Burn and punch out the rivets on each end of the factory fuel tank crossmember. Once the welds are released, remove your crossmember. Step 4. Slide the crossmember into place using a hammer if needed. Using a 15mm socket, install the included nuts and bolts located on each end of the crossmember. Reinstall the bolt and sending unit with a 14mm socket. Finally, paint the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall your fuel tank. Then you're done.